Hello, thank you Axsx group for organizing this wonderful Astro party. I mean, we have been to multiple parties, but this was a different kind of party on World Astronomy Day. Well, we have witnessed skies and different stars like objects from our terrace or from our home, but this was altogether a different experience. I mean, when you explore this deeper sky with these telescopes and all different objects with this group that they provide, I mean, this was totally a different phenomena that one can feel on this day. For me, if I would say, especially when I observed moon and Saturn and different nebulas through their telescopes and devices, I mean, I have never seen them before. I mean, it was just like, experiencing these things from very near to your eye. You can just visualize when we read this thing in books and read out about, such informations on internet. But when you practically get to see it, it's altogether a different field. So, I mean, I thank you very much. I mean, Chintan, Shashi, Harshal, and what's the name? I'm forgetting. Kailash sir, Gauri. These are so passionate about this astronomy and the way they share the knowledge. In audience, I've witnessed, different age group people starting from 7-8 years to 75-80 years as well. And I mean, there are absolutely fabulous. I mean, I've been never witnessed or never part of this kind of event. So thank you very much for organizing it, and I'll definitely look forward to be part of such events in future as well. Yeah, thanks.
लाइक ही सेट तो जैसे यहाँ पे इनके पास काफ़ी अच्छे टेलीस्कोप्स है और हम स्काई के ऑब्जेक्ट्स काफ़ी अच्छे से ऑब्जर्व कर सकते हैं. हर पर्सन को वो लोग इंडिविजुअली अच्छा टाइम स्पेयर करके सारे ऑब्जेक्ट्स हम देख सकते हैं. तो दैट वाज रियली अ वंडरफुल एक्सपीरियंस और या लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू फ्यूचर इवेंट्स एज वेल. तो थैंक यू एवरीवन ऑफ द टीम.